Ladies and gentlemen, what we have here in this mock-up is the sun and the earth as it would be on December 21st. It is now January 3rd and we are past the winter solstice, but my mock-up here is going to show what happened on December 21st, just a few days ago, which was our shortest day of the year for us up near Toronto, Ontario, Canada. On this day, you can see by my mock-up that the northern hemisphere is tilted 23 degrees approximately away from the sun. You can also see in my mock-up that about half the earth is illuminated by the sun. Now, it should be about 50.2 approximately percent of the earth is illuminated at once. My mock-up's probably less than that, something like 47, 48, I don't know, I'm not doing the math. But it's close enough to represent what goes on with sunrise, sunsets, length of days, and where the sun is on the horizon. So if you come with me, we are going to, well, first I want to bring to your attention that I have placed on here, on Toronto, a little googly eye. It's going to represent someone looking up at the heavens, watching the sunrise and the sunset, and what's going to happen. Okay, so the earth each day rotates around this way, and what you're going to see, if I can focus here, is that the googly eye comes in. Let's see, we see the sunrise on December 21st, and Toronto is going to have a very short day. See that? Boom, sunset. That's our shortest day. Not only that, if I'm meant to sit here like this, you can see the equator, and you know Toronto is way up here. For us, the sun is on the south. And it is for us. It rises in the south and it sets in the southern sky on December 21st. That is the winter solstice. Now, I'm not going to carry this globe all the way around my light. My light's only pointing one way, whereas the sun radiates in every direction. But what happens now on June 21st is the reverse. I'm going to pick up my globe and turn it around. On June 21st now, the northern hemisphere is tilted towards the sun, you see? Like so. And if you would follow me again, where is Toronto? Find our googly-eyed. Here it is right here. Okay. Let's go around one rotation, which would be one day. We're in the middle of the night here. Where is it? Okay, so we start to see the sunrise. And notice the equator and where the sun is. It's may still look a little bit south to us, but I think it's more like it's right overhead. It's way more further north than what it was on the winter solstice. Okay? And here we go. We're going to enter into a sunrise, and then we're going to have a very long day. We're going all the way down there. The sun is very hot because it's right overhead. Okay, and we're going to have a very long day, coming around, coming around, coming around, coming around, and then there you have it, our sunset. Again, looking at the equator, the sunset is kind of overhead. Maybe right straight to the west of where we are, Toronto. So, again, if we look at it from around this angle, our googly eye comes into play over here. You can see it. And it's going to have a very long day on June 21st. Very long day. Okay? That is all because of the fact that the Earth is a globe, and it's tilted towards the sun, and that is why you have the sun appearing from the east to the west, kind of overhead, the summer solstice, and way far in the southern sky for us up in the northern hemisphere during the winter solstice. And that, I think, is everything that I can show with this mock-up. If I can think of anything else, we will hook it back up and show you again later. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you learned something. Have yourself a good evening.